purple pod. Today we finished multiplying decimals by powers of 10. Question. Which number is the exponent in that? 5. Which number is the base? 6. So the 6 is the big number, the base. The exponent's the 5, the small number, right? Yes. Okay, here we have 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 4. Here we have the expanded form of those, yes? Yes. And then here we actually have what they equal. So powers of 10 are what? So I'll start you off and I want you to continue on going up. So my first power of 10 equals 10, right? Yes. What's my second power of 10 equal? 100. Keep going. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Stop. You got it. So we just keep adding zeros. Powers of 10 just keep adding zeros on, right? Yes. Okay? In this case, it says the exponents tells us how many zeros to add to the number 1, right? Yes. So if this is 10 to the power of 4, how many zeros is going to be in my final answer?
3.
How many zeros is going to be in my final answer?
4.
If it's 10 to the power of 2, how many zeros are going to be in my final answer?
2.
What does shift mean? What's it say again? All right. Number 5 says, when multiplying by a power of 10, the number of zeros tell you how many places to shift the decimal point. So here we have a decimal, 1400s, yes?
Yes.
We're multiplying by 10, which is the power of 10.
Yes.
How many zeros are in 10?
1.
So we shifted the decimal point one place to the...
Right.
What do we call these little things? These little...
Arrow.
No, what do we call these little arrow things?
Bunny hop.
Bunny hops. And we bunny hopped one spot because it was a 0, yes?
Yes.
In this case, we multiplied by 100. How many zeros are in 100?
2.
So how many bunny hops are we doing?
2.
So my answer is 14. If I wanted to put the decimal point there, I could. In this situation, we multiplied by 1,000, which has 3 zeros, yes?
Yes.
Check this out now. We would bunny hop 1, bunny hop 2, bunny hop 3 left us with an empty number spot. What are we always filling in empty number spots? What are we always filling?
0.
Which is a place value holder, right?
Yes.
So our answer is 140, yeah?
Yes.
Now, in this situation, instead of giving you all the zeros, I just gave you the power with an exponent, right?
Yes.
So this means that there are how many zeros in 10 to the power of 4?
4.
So therefore, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 bunny hops, right?
Yes.
Making sense?
Yes.
All right, so when multiplying by a power of 10, shift the decimal to the number of zeros in the power, right?
Yes.
We good?